Hi, I'm Mike Zima. I'm a digital marketing expert and expat in Mallorca, Spain. Today I'm going to talk about what are my 3 favorite conversion metrics, particularly for a Shopify store. I want to find out what your conversion metrics are and what are the KPIs that you're tracking, but I'm going to start. I think the most important KPI, it's going to be sales. If your store is not making any sort of sales, you cannot drive business results. Therefore, you're likely not going to stay in business for a while. So if you're not getting sales at the bottom of your funnel and it's not driving business results, it makes it a lot harder to scale. Number 2, well, it's going to be the qualified clicks coming to your site. And these are the different sources of traffic. Typically, you're going to have 2 or 3 sources that are going to drive conversions and that are going to drive business results. And if you're not doing any sort of marketing, and if you're not pulling people into your store and you don't have a product that people want to buy, you're not driving your business results at the end and at the bottom of your funnel. And I'm only talking about the bottom of the funnel here because there's so many different layers along the way to nurture and build relationships and actually make a legitimate case on why somebody would want to buy your product. But along the way, you need to make sure you have conversion tracking. That's going to be my third piece and my third most important KPI. Because if you don't have the conversions set up, for instance, if you have a Shopify store, you have Google Ecommerce set up right away. If you set it up, it's a breeze to do. And this allows you to see the traffic coming through your funnel and becoming a conversion. And right now, I'm talking about the bottom of the funnel mostly and how you can track the bottom of the funnel. But some people might look at the conversion rate and other things. I want to find out what you think are your top KPIs. Along with this video, I'm including a couple of different points for you to consider, and I'd like to hear what are your top 3 KPIs when measuring an e-commerce store.